What do you look for in a piece of furniture? Is it a design that matches your space? That it's sustainably made? Will it endure a lifetime of use? Can it hold two of you? 3? Will it fit through the door? Is it comfortable? Or maybe it's something that can fold so seamlessly into your life that you wonder how you ever made do without it. A perch to sit on to gain a new perspective. A dining room that makes every meal taste better. A sofa to catch up with old friends. An heirloom that makes your new house your home.